here we go. Where are we? So where are we at here? We're at a point about 6 months into the campaign, I guess, that Corbin and I have been working on. It wasn't built to be here forever, so that's the goal now. And we're taking down the L, finally. We're further along than many other campaigns at times like this, and just, it's so close. We just need to like get that final hit of support to bring everything to completion, and that'll be cool. And then the next thing is getting the steel. That's just gonna boop, make that happen. That'll be about $3,500. We're there, but I don't really want to pick up the steel, drop it here, bring it where it's gonna go. I kind of want to have the funds to bring the steel right to the laser cutters. They are prepared with the file, they print it, bring it to us, and then we can go. That's about $10,000. Right now we've raised $4,700 in GoFundMe and about $2,000 in sticker sales. So we're at like 6. So we need like another 5 to just make it happen. And then that momentum will breed another $5,000. And then we'll just have the money to do the whole structure and the letters. The structure will go up, letters will go to powder coating, and that'll be awesome. If you make a giant love sign for a city, people notice, I guess, go figure, and are really appreciative. And they're just like, oh man, on the beach. I mean, okay, I'm gonna cut this from this way. Yeah, you meet people on the beach over here in the Cathedral Park, and I don't know, you ask what people do and connect and talk, and then people really like it. They're super grateful. Woo! Yeah! That's exciting! It's gone! I feel like I'm climbing the mast of a ship or something. To get all of the things completed, to have a physical sign, we need $5,000. As soon as we can get that, things will start happening in the real world, not just in campaign land. Campaign land is fun and all, but we want to see some action in the real world. And all the things are set, the pump is primed, we're ready to go. Just turn it on. Get everything set up, laser cut the L, the O, the V, and the E out of the stainless steel, and geez, 1 month from now, we could have some serious progress made and some things in the tangible world happening, which would be really, really, really cool. So then have the whole thing done by Portland Winter Lights Festival this coming year. That's like the completion of everything. That's the grandiose vision where you can walk up, patrons to the Portland Winter Lights Festival will be able to look at the sign in whatever color it is, log on to an online thing, donate to a local charity, and change the color. So that's the experience I want everyone to be able to have the 3rd year's existence of this piece. That's the goal. There'll be a love sign before that everyone sees, but like that's the goal, to get to that point. Help us make that happen. Spread the love, please. We really need it now. Let's send it home and keep this thing alive. And thanks everyone for sticking with us. Like, the L is gone, the low period is over, we're on to the land of opportunities with a big old O. By donating to this campaign, your donation spreads love to millions of people across the world, from St. John's, Oregon, one person at a time, forever. For 10 bucks, that's a screaming deal. I mean, that's 2 stickers and you're spreading the love. Oh yeah. So if you want to support the love sign, if you want to spread the love, your dollars can be donated at gofundme.com/SaveTheLovePDX. Visit that location on the web for all the other cool, explosive videos we've created. Oh snap, love sign.